got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's hair day for me, and in this video I'm going to show you guys what I do at the very beginning of it. As some of you may know, my hair routine consists of a wash, normally done sometime during the weekend, then mini 2-strand twisting, which is done the same day, and I keep those in for about a week, and then the twist out, which I keep in for another week, and then I just go in and I repeat my wash day that following weekend. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I do during my washing process. Wash day is pretty simple for me. Just shampoo, then deep condition. You guys can use any products of your choice that works for your hair, but the shampoo I'm going to be using today is Shea Moisture's Cannabis Sativa Lush Length Shampoo. Okay, I know the title sounds crazy, but for me it works. I like using shampoos that not only keep my scalp feeling fresh and cleansed, but also leaves my strands with some moisture instead of completely stripping it of moisture. I definitely get those kind of results with this product. Next up is deep conditioning. Some people deep condition every wash day, but I only do it twice a month. When I'm not deep conditioning, I'll just use a regular rinse out conditioner right after shampooing. Today I'm using another product by Shea Moisture called the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. This product smells pretty good and it gets the job done. To apply the product, I start off by parting my hair down the middle. Then I part the side that's not in a bun in half. I take one half, apply product, part it into smaller sections, apply more product, and then repeat the process on the next half and the rest of my hair. After I applied the product to my hair, I grab a shower cap and I let it condition. Now listen, the next step is very important. Go to your room, turn on your Xbox, and start playing Saints Row 2 to pass the time. Okay, I'm just kidding, but seriously though, whichever product you use depends on how long to keep the conditioner in your hair. Mine says for about 5 to 30 minutes. After rinsing the deep conditioner out, I like to grab a towel to dry my hair. Don't use a towel to dry your hair because the friction from the texture of a towel can cause damage to your hair. That's it. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment if you guys need any help. I'll see you guys in my next video where I'll be twisting my hair. Bye.
I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Eating like I'm underwater.